All right, traders, check this out. We got the Brent oil under the microscope today. We haven't been here for quite some time. Price had been trading in that shaky area where it can go either way. You know, that's why we haven't been here updating on this one, because we're waiting for either a breakout or a breakdown. You know, this is where, this section right here, that's kind of the limbo zone. Price just taken the previous high, and it's still below 39.23, which we know that's the big resistance in the area. Now, we also know it came from after breaking 33.47, which right now is capping price from below, right? That's the support. And we also seen price kind of moving up, pushing up, and then for a swift moment kind of coming back just to test 33.47, bounce back up, right, and continue the hammer. But like I said, still below 39.23, which is really close. And we're also trading above previous highs, right? So there's a natural resistance in this area. Add to that the 39.23, which is an existing resistance key level, and of course there's might be a reversal, right, in the horizon, in the not so distant future. So we think price may tag 39.23, test it, and then of course we will have to wait for the reaction. If price will not be successful breaking through, then of course we can safely assume that there's going to be a tipping point here. And then, of course, we would like to engage and pull the trigger, try to catch a downside move back towards this area, 27 to 21. Obviously, we will focus on 27, right? So I'm just laying out here the game plan because we see this coming around the corner. We see the potential around the corner here. Probably a matter of a few days, a couple of days, could be still happening this week. When I say happening, I mean I'm talking about either the breakout or the breakdown, right? Because right now it's like a pressure cooker. Price is kind of caged in between these two levels, pressing from both sides. There's going to be a resolution soon. Now, we're more inclined to believe price will go back down because this looks like a trading range just waiting to develop. We've seen the base already forming, 3 legs. Now obviously there could be a breakout, don't get me wrong, but we would estimate that by about 35 to 40%, where the second scenario for a downside reversal, just a short term, right, would probably go as far as 60 to 65% probability. Should be interesting. Definitely, we'll be back to follow up on the situation here, guys. We're on the sideline, right? We haven't taken any action here yet, but we're waiting with that hammer, waiting to drop that hammer when it's necessary, where it's appropriate. So we'll wait for a few days on the sideline till we get some clarification, and then we'll hit, and of course we'll come back to broadcast and share that with you guys all the way. That's about that for today. Market Video Signals. It's been a pleasure. We'll be back tomorrow. See you then. Bye-bye.